Well, here we go. Second day, and I'm late. Oh, that's a great start. Hmm. I wonder if I ever gonna get those dropped frames. Anyways, this is my second part of doing some random programming, and well, if someone joins, guess talking to them. I guess I could also call this just chatting, but I mean, it's mainly just programming while I'm speaking shit and drinking. Oh boy, I'm gonna need water. My throat was fucking dry at the end of the stream of yesterday. Anyway, seems like everything is working. Hmm. Wait a minute, where is actually this? I know there's like a screen for seeing your stats. Just disappeared. Oh, kinda like, uh, what? That's, what? Uh, it's weird. Oh, there we go. That's exactly what I wanted to see. I need to use this one so it can go. It can go. Scene transition, thank you. Okay. Well, it's time to do some other things that I did last time. So we're gonna work on something called, I guess, my assistant. It's gonna help me on a lot of things, most importantly, streaming. Because obviously, if I'm making things from scratch, I'm also gonna make things from scratch when it comes to my stream, which includes overlays, uh, dashboards. I mean, my plan is to completely like uh, get rid of the Twitch user interface and make my own. That's basically the goal. And I have prepared some stuff here, like back end, front end. It works somewhat. Though no, if I remember, I'm not really satisfied with the implementation of the configuration file. Might change this, or rather change it now. Is this file actually being used? I don't think so. Which makes it even better. Yeah, it's not being used. Well, I guess I can... yeah, I'm not satisfied with this data folder and its content. Well, that took a long time. Anyways, I'm gonna keep this empty for now. Now, obviously, I want a configuration file that is not just JSON. I mean, I could use JSON to put like HTTP ports and stuff. Would I don't know, would be a little bit unnecessary. Hmm. Wait a minute. What is it even? Oh, that's where I'm getting the point. Well, maybe I do not want that to be there. I want something own. Or maybe make, because the thing is, I made it that I divide them into modules. So I can have like an overview of what can I enable or not. For example, maybe I want to enable the Twitch module for loading chat and shit. Maybe not. Because I want to run this 24/7. Already have some device even prepared for running it 24/7. Well, I guess we start with actually that. And maybe I will also do something like a database. Yeah, I might do actually implement database, something along the line. Yeah, let's make a database. Also, maybe I have added a music channel, added my browser, and have my playlist on, so I guess I'm gonna just leave it playing. The music I'm playing you will find in the description. Well, let's start off with class database. It's got a held items, but also needs some kind of scheme, kind of like SQL. Hmm. Okay, we have like schema. What can I use? Can have maybe different types, like supported types. Yes. I'm gonna do this. Schema, we have that. And then in schema, we have a property. Yeah, maybe something like that. Not gonna lie, I'm not even know what I'm playing right now. Anyways, property obviously needs a name and type. And we have string number, or maybe we have a map, just better. Then we can just use key of property map. Yeah, that sounds like that. Property type. Yeah, maybe mark this as read only. Not only bad things. Okay, boolean. Uh, mm, how the fuck I'm gonna do that? Oh, maybe just a function. Let's string. Yeah, gonna be just like this. Think you know, making it easier to call it. Hmm, probably don't need some typing. Yeah, probably some typing. I think that sounds better. Number 15. Burger King food letters. I think you want Burger King is something. I don't know the text anymore. Oh well. Let's see. We'll see. Hmm. Yep, I guess that works. Now, how the fuck am I gonna type this? Hmm. Maybe your name? Yeah, yes. We're gonna also add that. And then we copy the number, copy to boolean. What's it? Add there, there, there. Oh yeah, see. This has to be that. Makes sense. Oh, obviously that's the extend string. I'd rather have it as a string. Hmm. Guess I can have a record. Yeah. Hmm. Maybe was that a good idea? No, I don't think so. Maybe this wasn't good. And extends record string property type. Yeah, I think this is better. And then we can have like a builder. Yeah, that's good to me. Detail. Uh, missing something. Oh yeah, stupid. It has to be earlier called. Yeah. And hmm, I guess gonna have properties, which is this. This is gonna be like the basic structure. Mm-hmm. Then I guess we have same thing here. Does this work? No, it does not. Hmm. Obviously it does not work. Maybe partial. Yeah. Sounds about right. schema. It's basically just this. Oh fuck, what the hell? That is import. Hmm. No. Uh, Am I doing something wrong? No, you know what? Fuck this. This is getting a little bit too much. Let's just have per module configuration. Yeah, that sounds about right. And then we have iPad, I guess. Hmm. I guess here we can have that property mapping. Oh yeah, secret. Obviously important. Because of course we're gonna store some secretive information like tokens for third-party things like Twitch. So I can connect like a bot or something. Oh yeah. Mm, consume it's a record string property map property type. Yep, that sounds good. And we just extend this. Yep. Yeah, fuck it, I'm just gonna name it like that. Sure. Gonna make it read only. No. Hmm. No, I'm gonna do that. I guess. Oh yeah, probably need data. And then use theme. Uh, and here as and then property map p. No. Oh no, what the fuck am I doing? It's this one. Yeah. Yeah, that should work exactly like that. Just make it that. Because oh, yeah, I need default data. You know, so I can like copy it. And I guess gonna mark it speed only. I mean, I could also just type read only data extends read only data as yeah, I think that looks better. Mm-hmm. Yes, exactly. And then we need data. Oh, of course, we have to verify if the data is correct. I don't want that. So I'm gonna create a static function, call it check. Mm. And call it configuration schema, schema, and data. And I guess we can also leave it. We can use something I recently learned. That is this. I mean, I can, you know what I'm gonna put as data is configuration as, yeah. So this is a really cool thing. So basically this function has said that data is configuration data. So if any value goes through data, it is automatically configuration data as. That is something I recently learned. And I've been using TypeScript for 5 years. So yeah, kinda embarrassing. I mean, obviously because schemas can use string already, so I don't have to worry about types also then. Shit, how are we gonna identify something as a secret? If we prefix it with secret. I think that's a secret prefix. I don't know, call it secrets. That. And then, well, oh yeah, obviously we have to check that the type of data is object. And object, oh wait, and data is null, because obviously JavaScript doesn't know the difference between null and object. Type error, oh wait. Our data. Wait, I think I'm gonna do it separate though. Data is not object. And every data is not data equals undefined. And look at that, we're gonna be smart. Data is data, not an object. Because data, it will be turned into a string. I mean, of course, undefined isn't, but I just added there for just that. Also, here's how it works basically. Can check the default data, obviously. That is most important. Now, can finally extract values from the data. Does this work? No, obviously not. It does not work. Because it's thinking, oh yeah, I think I can have key data. Yeah, now I can extract it. Right? No. What do you mean no? I just literally checked key in data. Data can be used index type. No index index string was found on data. How the fuck I'm gonna make this? No, I do not want to use any or as because I think that's cheating. Okay, doesn't that like object as own, but it only returns a boolean. But why is it? Oh, how's that gonna work? Well, I can skip this one now. Uh, if type equals boolean and type of value isn't boolean, then we can have is not type. Well, this looks a little bit ugly, copy pasting it. Wait, let me write it down. I know this is ugly, for sure. Because yeah, basically I'm copying code. Yeah. It's no secret. Wait, maybe I have an idea. We use a switch statement. Yeah. And then we can do something line of if value is no type of value equals string because everything is fine. Oh, what's up? Break. Okay, why does tab not work? Thank you. Okay, we just go continue, break. Here, boolean, continue. Guess we could also be done a little bit cleaner. Whatever. I think that's how clean you can go. It's a string and value starts with completion secret prefix. And then we have probably a type error in which we say that key is not type. No, this would technically work. But because of this motherfucker here, How the fuck do I get a value from an object we don't know the structure of? Hmm. Hmm. Yes, data key. I think that's better even. But how do you use that? Hmm. Hmm. Define property, no. Hmm. No. Because object C, the default data. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, I think freeze is much better. What is this type? It's very interesting type. Hmm. Still back to this. How the fuck do I get a key from this? Hmm. Element implicitly has an early type. Because expression of type string cannot be used to index type brackets. No index signature of a parameter of string was found on type. I mean, it is marked as data object. Hmm. Uh, oh yeah, probably have to remember the file path name. And we have public read, or rather sync. Run nice. Gonna return this. Mm, synchronize this. This is as like reading data. So we get the data. File sync. And that's file path. Because of JSON, we can just import as this. And JSON plus. Then we can do a check. Data. Now data should be. Yes, exactly. Exactly what I want. Oh yeah, I guess I can public data configuration data. Yes. Data. Maybe we have a read. Yeah, at least a read. Put it in the function. We just put like this. Yeah. And then we can have this data read. Yeah. Nice. or maybe have like default parameter reading this on. So I don't know, I guess you want to read it from somewhere else. I mean, you can also set it directly. And then we have commit, which is saving. Which means I need a write. Guess I can maybe read only data. Yeah, gonna use void. And then we have write phasing, file path, this string data, and that format. Mm-hmm. And then we just write the data. Now this is definitely gonna work. Synchronize, commit, yep. Just like a Git repo. Sounds like. Now we're gonna have this. Guess I can use this. Yeah, think I can use this. Hmm, can I like do something along the lines of this data? Nothing. Oh, it works. I guess we can do then the same of setting data. Obviously, we want to set data to. I mean, yeah, of course you can set data directly via the data property, but having it like this maybe makes it much easier. Also, we can chain it then with this. Like, then we have name, assigns value, turn this, and then we can chain it and then commit it. Then this is maybe synchronize isn't the best word. Maybe for if we're already going the repo way. Now back to you. How the fuck am I gonna deal with you? I don't want to use as. I mean, the thing is, look, this is what I can do. I can do this. But I don't like this. This is ugly. Because then we lose the whole point of TypeScript. Then I can just go make this all in JavaScript. So there's no point. I need my types. I want to fucking eat them. So I need to find a way to get the value. Hmm. I don't even know. Maybe we can look up this error and like to see if there's anything about it. uh, yeah, guess that might work. Hmm. Man, fuck you, stupid AI. Solution. No, doesn't really help me. Hmm. Okay, wait, maybe like this. TypeScript access value of type object. Maybe. Hmm. I don't think that would work. No. Mm. Oh, maybe index. But shut the fuck up. How can I index something that does not exist? You aren't really helping TypeScript. Mm, everyday types? No. Yeah, I hate this one. I didn't want that. Object types. No. Type analysis, no. Type assertion. No, that's literally the one I would avoid. Hmm. Is it just me or the song is playing only in my left ear? Oh well. Okay, I have to figure this on my. Oh shit, I just got fucking. my fucking eyes. Okay, how the fuck am I gonna figure this out? How is Nightfox gonna figure out how to access an object that does not know the structure of? I mean, I don't even know why this doesn't even work. Wait, wrong way. This should work. Like, TypeScript should know. Oh, yeah, if key in data, that means it should be an accessible. Hmm, or maybe not. It does check for the key's existence, but it may also be undefined. But I mean, that's also the point. I don't care what type this is. Hmm. Uh, I hate this one. Figure this shit out, you stupid bastard. Yeah, sounds about right. That's how you write comments to yourself. Okay, yeah, I think this should be it. Mm-hmm. Now we can test if it works. We go here into HTTP. Guess we're gonna create a script file about that. You know what, if I'm already calling this with its full name, I'm gonna also call this with your full name. Because configuration can extend it. Yep, seems about right. Hmm, pass. Oh yeah, maybe add configuration directory path, which is the data path configuration. Mm-hmm. I guess we what I wanted to do. I want to do something, but I forgot. Oh yeah, I want to be this. Exactly. Hmm. You know what? Let's remove this. I think this is not needed. Yeah, that's not needed. 100%. Alright, what next? Hmm. Uh, Interesting idea. Config. And then, hmm, I do not have getting data from a config. I might secret. Look at the type string. That should work. Yep. Guess we're gonna create function specific for that. Get secret. Oh yeah, maybe getting from like each. Or no, no, it doesn't matter. Uh, no. Hmm. Now how do I reverse this? I mean, hmm, data type of config const. It's already like the data thing. But I need it as a configuration file. Hmm. What to do now? Config. A second. Uh, Wait, what does it need? Again, name and default data. Oh yeah, I have to define the scheme anyways. Oh wait, then I have an idea. Uh, that which satisfies configuration scheme, and this is configuration read-only data type of scheme. Maybe get this as a type. Yep. Epic. So now if I type in like port equals number, then it's requiring me to have port. Huh? The fuck? This is wrong as fuck. Should be. Hmm. Oh. Oh, wait a minute. I still have to call property map. Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, exactly. And now I can call this get port, and I will get the number. And then if I call set, I will get can set the port. Yeah, nice. Exactly how I wanted it. Now I do what? Oh yeah, replace it with this one. Hmm. I mean, not every single needs configuration. Every module needs a configuration. Now I'm gonna kind of leave it like this. And then instead of calling this, I just call get port. And look at that. We can now assign the port epic sauce. Also, I just realized this will cause an exception because the file does not exist. Obviously, I have to check if it exists. Guess I'm gonna just call it sys. And then we just do a 6 thing path and also stat sync because I want to make sure it's actually a file. Now we do this. Guess we're gonna do it like that. Why is use default data? Then we're gonna commit. Yeah. Oh, I have interesting idea. Maybe also have some kind of changes. Yes, changes. Default false. And then if we set, then we know it changes. Guess we can also make it like data a does not equal value. And then if it does not have changes, oh, well, rather if it has changes, actually write. Maybe doing it even on this level, it's actually not a bad idea, now that I think about it. Yeah. So we don't need it here. Ooh. Wouldn't that be interesting? Create subdirectory. Maybe I actually want to also know the directory. Please give me the real path. And we do uh, commit right. Yes. I guess we can have changes to it false afterwards. Mm-hmm. And then we do. I wanted to add something, but now I forgot. Hmm. What is that what I wanted to add? I forgot what I wanted to add. Oh yeah, obviously. Uh, create subdirectory for this file path. Obviously, we need the file, the subdirectory. I wanna know if this works. Like if I type in start. Wow, what the hell is this? Cannot find module VS or its corresponding type declarations. Are you really forcing me to install type? Oh my god, no fucking way. Did I already upgrade? No, but now I have the types. So are you now bitching? He's not bitching. Okay, now if I open my terminal and look at the directory, uh, wait, no, my default home directory, I will now have where the fuck is this stored? Home directory. The user's home directory is this one. Oh, maybe it's there, I'm just blind. Wait, what? What the hell is the home directory on Linux? A POSIX uses the home environment defined, otherwise it uses the effective UID to look up the user's home directory. Yeah, it should work. Where is it though? I don't see it. Fuck. What? Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Is it because of the dot? But it would have crashed, wouldn't it? Yeah, it would have crashed. Because I'm committing. Because the data does not exist. And it's creating the directory for that. And I'm writing the file to that. But why am I not seeing it? I mean, it detected it. There should be like an exception before this line. So I'm really confused. Hmm. Oh, what is this? I don't care. Okay, what is your problem now? Why aren't you writing? Is there like a Linux thing to not writing to dot folders? Hmm. Is that maybe in local? Oh, I'm stupid. I'm typing the wrong command. Is it in share? No. The fuck, where is this? Are you really forcing me to run this under a debugger? Okay, let's see. Wait, what? Did it just run Node? Did I even set this up? Oh, I did not. Obviously, I'm so smart, am I? No, it should work. Yeah. So if I call in this exists, it's a chain. No. Yeah, it does say no. We got a ride. Oh. Hmm. I see the problem. Okay, okay. That was my mistake. Okay, I'm gonna create. What? Yeah. Is data true? No, it should work. No exception. Oh, look, there it is. And it's a JSON file. Yeah, exactly how I wanted it. Nice. Okay, now that we have that. Works though, right? Yep. No, it works. Intended. It's exactly how I wanted it. No. Oh yeah, we have to integrate Twitch. Oh, how the fuck am I gonna do that? Uh, oh yeah, obviously I need the, what's it called? Hmm, Fucking, I think it's called Turtle or something. Yeah, I'm not a bot. Oh, they have dark mode? Holy shit, finally. I don't have to stare at the white screen anymore. Yeah, this is software used to make Twitch integration. Definitely need all three packages. And I'm definitely tweaking this one. The WebSocket. Okay. We have the off. And we have the client. No, it's chat. PI. And then it's chat. If I can type, actually, that is. Events as chat work. Yeah. Nice. Let me install that. Okay, we have that. What is now? Oh yeah, you can like do various methods of getting token, like using static. But I think the refresh token is better. Alright. Uh, okay. Think that should work. Yep. Well, it's time to make the Twitch module and the Twitch guest authenticator. I'm gonna create a wrapper around this. Obviously, we need the. Oh, maybe we should put this in the HTTP. Yes. Yes. Configuration. I mean, basically, you could copy paste this and just change the name. Huh. Kinda cheating, not gonna lie. Okay, we need the client ID, just a string, client secret, which I think is something I should not show publicly. And what else? Oh yeah, redirect URI. Uh-huh. Mm. Yeah, I think that's it for now. But it is empty. Secret is also empty. Mm-hmm. Seems good. Obviously. Uh, Wait, upgrade Twitch module. And skin added use. Yeah. Hello. Wait a minute before I do anything or say anything to you. I'm gonna turn on the light. Uh, my headphones. Also, now I'm back. Hello. Nufik. Nufik 589. Interesting name. Welcome to my stream. What is that I can offer you? What are you building? Uh, let's just say it's some kind of personal assistant minus AI, because I'm not gonna use AI for this. This is everything gonna be written programmatically. No AI, no AI shit or whatever. Just personal assistant doing predefined things. That's basically what it is. You could also say I'm building myself a girlfriend. Because that's actually what it is. Yeah, I would say it's my girlfriend. Now that I think about it. I'm currently implementing the backend for Twitch, so I can create like a Twitch overlay of my streams, you know, not using those scummy ass overlays you can get online. I would rather make something myself. Now let's see, how does this work? Hmm. Configuration. I guess. Oh wait, I think I put it into private. Yeah. Static. Oh fuck. Instance new this. Obviously, I have to mark it as static. Oh yeah, I don't need the brackets. Obviously. And I guess instance dot. Then we need the configuration. Configuration. New Twitch configuration. Yep. Twitch configuration good. Yep. Now I can get all the shit I want. Off. Obviously, I need client ID, client secret, redirect, query, and store that private. Well, client ID, I think, can be stored as public, but secret definitely not as a public. Sure, redirect. URI can also be public. Client there, and client secret, and oh god. VS Code be doing VS Code things. Okay, and I need an auth provider. Guess I'm gonna make this provider refreshing auth provider, because that's what I'm gonna use. Shocker. Client ID. Oh, I can even specify the redirect. Nice. I don't know what's not gonna help. App implied scope. I don't think I need that. Hmm. Obviously, I need the on refresh. Refresh. I don't even know what data I'm getting from that. Oh yeah, I completely forgot how this fucking works. User ID and token. Oh no, it's access token. This refresh by this. I guess I can also create a token directory path tokens. Might be really not really circular, to be honest. But I mean, it's my own software. This is not public software. So nobody will know where I put this. File path. To token directories. Token user ID Twitch. And we create a subdirectory to this. And then we write the file to that. Oh yeah, obviously we have to stringify this. And just to be sure, we're gonna import this. Wait, maybe I have a better idea. Maybe store it in folder rather than, yeah, I think this is better. Maybe also make this as a token directory path. Token Twitch. Twitch, yep. And we also need a function to read them all. Because obviously this makes sense. Public static read tokens. Guess we can put it as a record. Yeah, mixed. Oh, come on, why is my fucking caps lock on? Then we can do this. Uh, Read tokens. This provider add wrapper token. It's no. Ah, what the fuck did I use? Oh, add user. And then user ID token. Yep, this should work. Oh, we have to read files. Here sync token directory. Wait, does it also I have to test something? I read sync is not a function. Am I stupid? Oh yeah. Made the D uppercase. Yeah, it's reading just file names. Maybe using map. File name. Resolve this token directory. File name. No, it's the full path and not just the name. Okay, wait a minute, I know this song. I'm actually gonna skip this one. Just to be sure. Oh, did it? Oh, obviously I have to press play. Oh my god, that kind of scared me a little bit. Oh yeah. Token, circuit, access token. It's file path, oh, file paths. Token, read, file, sync, file path. And these class. And I can use base name for the file path because that's literally the ID. But this is still wrong because token is any, and I don't like any. Is there maybe some kind of utility function? Nope. I guess I'm gonna create a utility function. Or maybe there is one. There's access though? No, there's no. Obviously not. Alright, export is access token. Token unknown is access token. Yep. And it is access token. Only right if it's an access token. Now, of course, we have to check that's an object. and token is null, and there's SX token and type access token is string and refreshed token and token. And dash token is string or token is null. Scope and token raise array expires in token and type of token. Oh wait, I forgot here. Expires in, it's either number or null. Obtainment timestamp and token and type of tomato is number. Yeah, basically those checks. Mm-hmm. Now is there more to this? No, except for exchanging. Guess I can make this exchange code string. From the looks of it, it probably returns an access token. Turn array exchange code. Yeah, well, we have the client idea, secret code, and the redirect here. Concept context switching. Intent. At the moment, so definitely is hacked up. They can assign one user to be a chatbot, then use to connect to chat and create the application there. Assignment and the user can be done with adding a user to the provider. Second parameter. So add the chat intent to that user's sign to be used by chat by default. Can be created in this option adding connect intent like the file. Suppose you're running a big chatbot that has same username for everyone. Now you want to add some premium feature then user then second option link to own or to get the known intent. This is nearly different. First, we just say a big chatbot with the chat intent. Then if the similar opt custom bot teachers design a custom bot account, give me the same idea. Huh. Interesting. Now for each of your premium user process, you can copy your channel. Maybe I add one thing here. And that's the broadcaster ID. It's empty. And obviously probably need it here. Broadcaster ID. Oh, I can actually just leave it here now that I think about it. What was it? Chatbot for and then broadcast. And then I guess I use the same thing for chat client when I get there. Yep, seems to be looking good. And now I send it here. New Twitch. Oh yeah, of course I have to construct it. Twitch information get client ID. And then we get the secret. The configuration get redirect, and then finally the broadcaster ID. Seems good. I guess I can then attach. Oh wait, I have an idea. It's called Honor. Where was it here? Attach redirect Honor. Honor get Twitch. Uh, I don't really know how to use it. Context. Why it is not assignable to type. Type context. It's not assignable. Oh, handler response. Wait, how does this work? Oh, just like that. Yep, I totally know how this works. Okay. No. Oh, for that I have to actually go to Twitch. Oh, fuck. There is no dark mode, man. Fucking eyes. Um, let's see, device code grade. That uses. Oh no, that's not that. Uh, no. Oh, maybe it's this one. Uh, uh, okay. Yeah, it's this one. So there's code, scope, and state. Um, get. Hmm, query. Code. I think that's how it works. Uh, get modification, yes. Oh, yeah, that's how it works. Oh, fuck. Why, man? Scope. Scope. And state. But from the looks of it, it can also have an error. Hmm. Oh fuck, that's not what I wanted to open. It's error, right? Yeah. Error is not undefined. Then we get the description. Um, new response. I suppose error. Description. 400. Yep, sounds about right. State. Do I actually need state? Yes, okay. Count undefined. I don't think I need those now. Just gonna comment it out. Uh, hmm. How the fuck am I gonna do this? Need the access token. How the fuck do I get the user ID from this? The state. Mm-hmm. Obviously. I guess I can check state response, no state provided. Guess that makes sense more for the state. I mean, because it's my software, I can put in the state whatever I fucking want. So it's gonna be the user ID. Wait, how the fuck do I get the user ID? Hmm. Okay, wait, I might not have thought about this. How the fuck am I gonna get this user ID about this? Hmm. Oh, I might have an idea. I think we scrapped the whole state thing. And oh yeah, I mean obviously we need the token. Uh, if code undefined respond code is undefined. Yep. Yeah, I don't get the ID from this. Hmm. But wait, I can still add. Hmm. Yeah, I guess this. I can do that. And 200 for success. Yeah, this looks good. This looks nice and clean. Uh, yeah, I guess I can go to here, start. How the fuck did I implement start? Oh, first calls super. And now I can do whatever I want. So in this case, I want this. This of attach redirect. Yep, look at that. Isn't that clean? What? Okay, whatever. Don't remember on this one. Anyways, well, I hope nobody is from Florida. Yep, this looks good. That's some weird ass music. Well, I guess can uh create this. Hmm. Yeah, now I just realized I can actually put this into my column. Always. Mm-hmm. And then we create a polarization array. Oh, let's create a neural object. So this is the base. Oh, fuck up. Uh, uh, yeah, obviously I have to turn this into string. Yeah, I did not mistype anything. Client ID. Uh, to be honest, I can also create an object now when I think about it. Twitch polarization. This Twitch option client ID plus verify boolean redirect URI string response type code scope space delimited list of scopes. Yeah, array. And finally state. Mm-hmm. Create set parameters. Client ID, client email, by the redirect URI. To be honest, I don't need that. In that case. Bro, what am I listening to? Okay. Options, where's that? Not undefined. Maybe set force verify. Guess return it into string. What is, oh, it requires true or false. What is this? Man, Silver Gunner is definitely something you cannot say is garbage. That's why I'm listening to the shit. Uh, does this work? If I do something like, wait a minute, how does this work even? Isn't this a part of? Yeah, this should be here. Huh? So it's because of this? I don't know anymore, brother. I mean, this should work. We can test it out. Console info. Edge. Balls. Sauce. Scope. No. Yes. Oh, what the hell? Cannot read properties of undefined. Why? Oh, because it's. Hmm. Hmm. I see the issue. I mean, no one is stopping me doing this. Right? Nobody is stopping me doing this. The fuck? Because obviously. Like the. Yep, that should fix it. Yes. Why is there a plus? Okay, that shouldn't be like that. Guess that works. Uh, oh no, it was correct. That was just stupid. But I think it's now correctly set here. Mm-hmm. This works. I can now use that. I guess I can. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Oh, maybe get secret. Maybe have this even as a type. Makes maybe some things easier. Configuration secret. I mean, it's basically just substring the secret prefix thing. Yeah, very good secret. Really epic. Uh, hmm. Actually, I don't think I need that. I don't think I don't need this because of the way how it works. Yeah, what am I doing? I don't actually need this shit. Yeah, this can go to string. Yeah, then I have to worry about this. What is this classical music I'm hearing? Oh well. Oh, I'm hearing the melody. I understand the song now. The fuck am I wanted to do again? Getting distracted here by fucking music. Hmm. Oh yeah. Getting the uh I need scopes. And then how do we can go and let's go. Where the fuck is the list of scopes? Joins your channel's chat room as about user and performs chat related actions with that user. Type of access and associated endpoints. Can send chat messages. Can clear Pokemon. Not else is here. Send chat messages to a chat room using an RSC connection. I mean, for now, I guess I only need this one. Uh, set tick get. Oh, wait, maybe I have an idea. Uh, public get authorization URL. Create Twitch authorization URL. This client ID, redirect, scope. I mean, that's for now what I need. Hmm. Oh, now I remember what I actually wanted to do. Uh, public is valid. Okay, extends key of s property name. Obviously, there are some invalid states that can be in. This. Okay. If type of value equals string and value length is 0 and false. And if value is number and is none, then false. Otherwise, everything should be correct. I mean, Boolean can only be false or true. There is no second or third option of Booleans. Hmm. Uh, hmm. What does actually start implement? Oh yeah. If is valid. Oh, I have a very smart idea. Not only that, gonna make it spread. Uh, now how do I do that? Oh, I know how. Uh, result. And then, what the fuck am I doing? Mm, the fuck am I supposed to do? Oh, I know what I'm supposed to do. Yeah, exactly that. Yeah, that sounds more logical. And then we can do this, and it will check for all of these values. And I guess we can do something. Uh, one invalid configuration. So we even stop before it's doing anything stupid. Let's see, it should work now. Should get a warning saying that it's invalid. Yeah, invalid configuration. Exactly how I wanted. Hmm. Okay. What now? Okay, we have that. I mean, I can go back to this one. Uh, Now what? Let's do the chat thing first. So this is how it basically works. We have a chat client. Guess I'm gonna create a new class, call it Twitch chat. Oh fuck. And for Twitch chat, I need an off provider and broadcaster will obviously need the client. Chat client. Wait, what's it called? Yeah, it's called chat client. Why isn't it getting imported? Do you want me to? Damn, it really has to force me. Uh, Part levels. Oh, fuck. Provider. Channels. Broadcaster name. Channels return may also be a function that returns a list of channels. You know, I wonder something about this. Can it also be an ID? Hmm, nope. Public connect. Is there also a disconnect? I think it's called pod. Yeah, because obviously Twitch has some weird ass names for their API. Hmm. Uh, Channel to leave. I guess I have to store the. Well, it can doesn't have to be. But this can't be read only. The broadcaster name. That is the name. Public read only. Chat. Twitch. Chat. This chat. New Twitch. Chat. Then we can use the provider here as well as time to add a new configuration. Broadcaster username. Make that empty. Broadcasting username. Configuration. Yep, that seems right. Hmm. You know, there's one question I'm asking. Does it like use some authentication when I call this? Featured client. Provided a pay variable getting the dependency. If you don't pass this, the chat client will connect anonymously. Oh, you can like have no identity. Crazy. I wonder if this works. Or does it crash? What happens? Absolutely nothing. Perfect. For this we also need a stop now. First calls, super stop, chat, part, connect. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What now? Hmm. Now I they actually tested I need client secret and shit. But I'm gonna fucking store it if I'm streaming that. Oh yeah, I definitely need some kind of API to configure all of that. Mm-hmm. Okay. Need an API for configuring this. How the fuck am I gonna do that? Hmm. I think I have an idea. Uh, I think for that I have to look into the API again of this fucking, what's it called? Oh no. Getting started. Cheers. Mm, um, kind of like get context routers. Yeah, maybe that's what I'm looking for. Exactly. Hmm. Smart router is useful when you're using multiple routers and acts as routing when carrying on the registered router. Uh, okay. Do we have like a normal? Hmm. Pattern route tests ones with them are recompacting to make it seem smaller per environment and with resources used partners. This does not really help routing. Oh, I see. Maybe this help. Hmm. Change route grouping. Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking for. Hmm. Function MCP API configuration. Router. Oh no. Oh no. Europe API configuration. Yep. Did I get a message? I'm gonna answer that later. Okay, now we just should work. Yeah. And now we can do get and post. Wait, can I directly wait? Oops. Uh, oh yeah, that works like that. Directly. Now, how are we gonna do that? I guess we can. Oh, wait. Definitely need. Uh, is valid pro property. Property name. Property name is key of S. object keys includes property name. Ah, set types. Excuse me. Fine. Hmm. Wait, can I maybe cheat a little bit? Oh, still cannot. I want it to be string. Hmm. Man, you know what? Fuck this. I'm gonna uh type of property is not string. Oh wait, I'm just gonna do this. No, this should work. It's pretty smoothly. Alright, we have key, which we get from queries. Call it just key. And I guess value, context, queries, value. Or maybe use a body and then use JSON on it. Oh yeah, body cache. Oh, look at that, JSON. JSON. Fucking game. Alright, that should work. Hmm, now what? Oh, I have an idea. Name. And we have regulations. And we can make them functions. Let's go to the server. Remember correctly. Yeah. Which model? Yep, that should work. Wait, this might cause recursion, wouldn't it? Okay. Fucking declaration. Context. As name. If configuration is undefined. We do next. Yeah, we're just gonna straight up skip this one. Wait, maybe call it a name. And then maybe do something like that. Configuration. No, this does not work. Hmm. Def name in configuration. Wait, why? Oh, configurations. What is this shit again? Hmm. 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 Okay, let me do this type value unknown types value st includes value. Type value isn't string and false. Uh, string love functions no don't get called immediately. Return context 400. Wait. Unknown configuration name. Wait, why is this? Left side of comma operator is. Oh shit, what the fuck? That looks surprising. Mm-hmm. Maybe before doing body check. Version. Oh, obviously I have to call it. Is valid property into context response key not available in name. Why is this fucking query? But it's still undefined. Can I like force it to be true? Tribe and true? No, I have to. He is undefined. Context new response. No key query. Sure, that should work. Why does expression is not callable? Each expression of the union type something 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 has signatures, but none of these signatures are compatible with each other. Oh, Jesus Christ. I see. Hmm. How the fuck I'm gonna do that? Hmm. Hmm. How the fuck am I supposed to do this? I've actually never seen this error message before. I know what the problem is, but I don't have no fucking clue how to solve it. Hmm. Maybe I need. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it that. Configuration. Hmm. What do you mean? This is object is possibly unknown. Cannot invoke an object which is possibly undefined. The fuck? So now I can do this. So this function is useless. Wow, I love making useless function. Hmm. This shit. Yeah, this is now not saying shit anymore. We're gonna commit that shit. So it's gonna be saved. Wait, why is this? Huh? Oh, I remember. Yep, that should fix it. Mm-hmm. Yep. Oh yeah, I need over. No, wait a minute. This is change that to post. No, we need a get. I think we can just call normal function cons. Of course, we need the regular. Hmm. Maybe I can. Oh wait, it is. Huh. I actually don't need it. Interesting. Fascinating. Yeah, this is also not undefined. Why did I thought it was undefined? Hmm. Guess I'm gonna copy this. Context query e if key is undefined. Turn context. I mean, obviously, if you want to fetch something, we need to know what exactly you want from the config file. Can't just say, oh yeah, I want everything. No key query. Guess I can copy this too. Value configuration key. Yep. Turn context new. Context news. Does this work? No. Can I send JSON? Oh, I can. Okay. Wait a minute, where am I getting? Oh, here. Wrong. Okay. Interesting. Song. Okay. What the hell am I looking at? Okay, that should work now. Uh, circular dependency. Yeah, as I thought. Hmm. How am I gonna solve world circular dependency hunger? How the fuck am I gonna solve this? Yes, I know circular dependency shit. Hmm. Hmm. Wait a minute. I mean, The config files are independent from. Oh, I can actually change this to make this easier. New HTTP configuration. Which configuration? Why is this undefined? Yeah, I guess that works. Hmm. Configuration is undefined. Could say anything you do. Hmm. I think can maybe instead of writing that, I have a very smart idea. Configuration. Hmm. Maybe name, name I just realized I don't really need this. AP. Yeah, now I can just call wait, what's it called? I love importing you're not gonna start the song. Oh, finally. Oh, it's that. Interesting choice. Really, you want me to put that shit too, manually? Aren't you smart? This still works, yeah. Yeah, this still works. Uh, let's see. I should fix the question, a circular dependency. Yep, it's fixed. So now if I start this up, it will run. And oh my god, there's so much shit. Let me just launch this here. So if I type in API configuration, HTTP, E equals port. I get the port. Yeah, look at that. Damn, that's cool. So if I need something from the client, that's how I get it. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. What's the time? Oh yeah, I think that's enough for today. Got some pretty far with this. So then I'll see you next week on Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. CET for my next programming session.